In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a newsletter in Hubspot, perfect for beginners looking to dive into the world of email marketing in 2024. We'll walk through each step together to get you started on building your very own newsletter from scratch. Before we start, just a little tip, make sure you have your Hubspot login details at hand and an idea of the content you want to include in your newsletter. This will make the process smoother and more enjoyable for you. First things first, let's head over to your favorite web browser and navigate to the Hubspot homepage. You can easily find this by typing Hubspot into your search bar, and it's typically the first result that pops up. Once the page loads, look towards the top right corner and you'll spot the Login button. Go ahead and click on that to sign in with your account details. As soon as you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Hubspot homepage. From here, locate the Marketing tab found in the navigation menu. Click on Marketing and it should reveal a drop-down menu with various options. What we'll be focusing on is crafting an email, so from this menu select the email section. Now you'll find yourself in the email dashboard where all the email magic happens. Look for the Create Email button and click on it to start creating your newsletter. With HubSpot you have the power to automate your emails, which is a fantastic way to maintain engagement with your audience without having to manually send each newsletter yourself. So let's select the automated option, which will set us up to create an automated newsletter. After you've clicked automated, direct your attention towards the bottom right corner of the page and you'll see a next button. Click on it and it will guide you to the template selection page. Templates are incredibly helpful as they provide a structured starting point for your email's design. Once you're on the template page, look for the Choose Template button and give it a click. Now as we're looking to create a newsletter, find and click on the newsletter option from the available templates. Selecting a newsletter template gives you a pre-designed structure that you can customize with your own content, making it visually appealing and engaging for your readers. With these steps, you're on your way to crafting a beautiful and engaging newsletter. Keep in mind to personalize your content to connect with your audience. Once you're done with the content and design, make sure to save your work. And there you have it, you've just created your first newsletter in HubSpot. Take a moment to celebrate your progress and gear up to connect with your audience like never before. Keep experimenting with different designs and content until you find what resonates best with your subscribers. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on mastering HubSpot for all your marketing needs.